Hello and welcome to the Skydival channel. And today we're here at Deepcool's booth here at CES 2024. And they have some new cases and some new coolers. And for you budget PC gamers, they're gonna deliver. Let me show you what they have in store. Okay, this is the first item I have to show you guys. It is their brand new CH160 mini ITX PC case. Deepcool has never made a venture into small ITX cases, and this is their first crack at it. And they have two models here. And don't worry, the prices are actually pretty good. So they have the CH160 digital, as you can see right here with the digital display. This is a tower style with a mesh panel here, whereas this is the regular CH160 with a glass panel, no digital display, but it comes in cheaper. So I'll go ahead and knock this out of the way. But as far as pricing goes on the new CH160 and CH160 digital, the digital is gonna come in around $85 USD, and the regular CH160 is gonna be about 70. So as far as ITX cases go, I really like that. And what stands out about these two cases, as you can see here on the inside of the CH160, it's a traditional PC case layout. I can't tell you how many ITX cases I get my hands on, and they have the most overcomplicated, unnecessary case layouts just to make these things as small as possible. But doing that increases the price and it increases the complexity. But as you can see here on the CH160, you can just natively plug in a graphics card right into your ITX motherboard. Although with the CH160, one limitation I will quickly point out is that it uses an air cooler, and if you wanted to use a water cooler, you can only use a 120 here on the back. That said though, air coolers nowadays are doing really good as far as performance goes. I don't think it's a limitation, and for the price of this, like I said, you could slap in a full-blown Assassin 4 cooler. But seeing these cases at an affordable price, coming in black and white, especially with this cool digital display here, I think it's going to be attractive to a lot of PC gamers. And in fact, this case might bring me back to the ITX form factor, especially the CH160 digital. Because here, I don't know if you're able to tell, right here there's actually a 240 millimeter radiator, which will satisfy you cooling nerds who need the most performance possible out of your CPU. But this digital display is so cool, and I want to have that on my desk if possible. So once again, that is the new CH160 and CH160 digital. But get this, Deepcool isn't finished. If you weren't into ITX, they are introducing some new, slightly high-end micro ATX cases. So if you guys remember, I previously did a build with the CH370 1 year ago, and one of the reasons why I really liked that case was how how well built that case was for its price, and we're gonna see that sort of same build quality here in the new CH360 series, now with the option of a digital display here on the side. So if you wanted to monitor, again, the temps inside your PC case, you can do that now with the CH360 with the digital version. As far as pricing goes, the digital display is gonna come in at $100, and the non-digital display is gonna come in at about 80 bucks. So it is slightly pricey, but the quality is good. I can definitely vouch for that. And you're getting the very clean, Deepcool aesthetic in these new CH360 cases. And this is the other big product that Deepcool want to show off here at their booth. This is their brand new Mystique 240, 360, and eventually 420 plus CPU coolers. Now what makes these unique, as you can immediately tell, are the digital displays here. So here, for instance, on the Mystique 240/360 with these fans, this is something you can change and modify with through software if you want to check out different things, not just temperature, but also how fast your CPU is running as far as its clock speed and other cool items right there on the front of your PC case from the side panel. So this is going to be coming in soon. And one thing I do like about these new Mystique coolers is that Deepcool is not going to be overcharging for these really cool digital displays, which is something we may have seen from other digital CPU coolers as of late. It's a nice way to mark up the price, but that's not gonna happen. So this, I believe, is coming in around $170 with this digital display, which all things considered, I think is a good deal for a CPU cooler with a digital display. And the other CPU cooler I wanted to show off that is similar to this 360-240 version is this 420 Plus. And this is basically this, but even more premium. We can even take off the display and then put it back on, and it'll immediately get back to whatever it was previously showing. And there's also a built-in gyro on this, so if you wanted to orient it in a certain direction, this will automatically adjust so that it's upright. So that's a pretty cool feature. And the last thing I want to tell you guys is that the fans going inside of these Mystique coolers are different. The magnetic bearings and the quality of the actual fan motor is higher than that of other brands. So what allows these fans to do is run faster while staying quiet, and the blade design can be better optimized for pushing air into a radiator or through your PC case. So that's one thing that Deepcool has a leg up on the competition for that I haven't seen with other case fan manufacturers. And here's the last thing I want to show off here at the Deepcool booth. That's their new Assassin 4S. This is the kind of like baby version of the Assassin 4. This is really similar to the CPU cooler that we used in a recent build guide with the AP201 that was in all whites, and it managed to cool off a 13900 KS. And that's essentially this, but it's a single fan. So if I pull this out right here, if I'm able to do it, there's your fan right there. But Deepcool have made a modification to the fan blades. So this will apparently perform better than the previous fan blade design on the old Assassin 4, which, speaking of, the Assassin 4 is going to be updated with these new fan blades, so you're going to get slightly better cooling performance, which is all the better. And once again, this is a bit shorter in length, so RAM clearance is not going to be an issue. I/O clearance is not going to be an issue. And this is going to be coming soon, I think at $85, so not too bad if you want a performance CPU cooler that'll be maintenance free, but still look cool. So there you have it. That is what is here at the Deepcool booth at CES 2024. If you've been enjoying our CES content, give this video a like. That helps it out because, you know, these videos, they're going to be super hot, but they're definitely necessary to show you what's coming up in the PC gaming market. And if you enjoy Scatterable videos, probably want to subscribe. So with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and this is the Scatterable channel signing out.